Hi, I'm Maps Coach Tim Beverland, and today's quick tip is in Command MC. We're going to look at the new update for reports, where we could see transparency in how many appointments, gross and net, we have month to date at any given time. So we're going to open up Command MC, and we're going to go to the reports applet. And now we can see in this market center in November, the number of R2, R1, and total appointments held for the month. These numbers are coming in from the recruit contact card. So if this market center tracks the appointment and puts the appointment date in and has held the appointment, then they're going to get credit for those appointments in here. So we go down to joined. This is when the recruit card gets drug into the joined phase of Command MC recruit pipeline. On the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, the net growth, this is what Winmore reflects. So there could be a discrepancy between the two. So this is an opportunity for a conversation with your leadership team to see, did we bring everyone in? Did they actually get entered into Winmore? Did they change the status in Winmore? And it lets us know exactly how that's calculated. Projections are based on the projected join date in the recruit card, which you fill out at the time that you're having appointments or when you're having conversations with that recruit. Lastly, profit, owner profit, profit share, company dollar, all of these categories are coming in from the financial statement based on the current time period. So again, based on the current time period, you could see where this report functionality brings in a lot of different resources between Command and Winmore and finances and gives us a quick snapshot of our market center and how we're doing. For our OPs, if they have multiple market centers, there's a drop-down shell at the top right where they can select which market center. The same thing for our regional teams, where they could see each market center in their region and how we're doing month to date. I have found that there's been a little bit of a lag between the time that the appointment is entered and it shows up on the reports. In my experience, it's been about overnight before I see updated numbers. And yet, utilize the tool, you'll be able to see real-time what those numbers look like. Can also go back in time and see previous months. How did we do in previous months in net, in growth, in R2s and R1s? And what were our appointments that we had inside of Command that we actually kept a record of in Command MC? So your entire leadership team will be able to see these reports. It'll be based on the information, again, in the Recruits tab and in Recruit Pipeline, where we actually enter in the appointment. So just quickly to see how that looks, we're going to add a recruit. We'll add this fictitious Joe Smith too, because I've got a few in here. We're going to put in a phone number. This is an R2. We're going to put him in the pipeline as an active recruit. We're going to select a brokerage, and I'm going to assign this contact to me. As I go through Joe Smith 2, and now I want to go into view the details, and I can put in our appointment. So I clicked on appointments, and I see no appointments found. Let's create a new appointment. I'll put that I conducted the appointment. It was a needs analysis, and I can choose any date today or in the past. It's impossible to hold an appointment in the future. So we have to put a record of today's date or in the past. So I'm going to say I had this appointment on Monday and save the appointment. I now have a record of an R2 appointment with Joe Smith that should, within the next 24 hours or so, reflect in our report section of Command MC as well. If you have additional questions, you can go to answers.kw.com. Paul Polanski has a great article in here to track your market center goals, has some screenshots, and any additional questions that I can answer, feel free to reach out. Thanks, everyone.